humble shores are calling clear, a life of service banishing fear. Eneliko's heart, a faithful guide, for God and Samoa stands with pride. A shepherd's hand, so gentle, kind, healing wounds and peace you find. Through trials, storms, a steady light, Father Eneliko shining bright. Your wisdom, strength, a warm embrace, Father Eneliko fills this space. Oh Father Eneliko, our love takes flight, a song of devotion burning bright. Your faith and service gifts from above, forever enshrined in our hearts with love. Star in darkest night, leading us onward toward the light, planting seeds of faith and grace, leaving marks on this sacred place. Your legacy lives in hearts so true, a testament to all that you do. Oh Father Eneliko, our love takes flight, a song of devotion burning bright. Your faith and service gifts from above,